Hello everyone, this is Mr. Appel. We're going to look at this problem now. So just keeping in mind that absolute value means distance from zero. So even though it looks a little wonky here because we're dealing with a couple of variable expressions, the concept is the same. So the only way that this equation can be true is either if x minus 1 is equal to x plus 3, or if x minus 1 is equal to the opposite of x plus 3. So the opposite of x plus 3 would be the negative of x plus 3, and that's sort of the trick to a situation like this, where you have an expression over here as opposed to just a number. From there, we still solve the same way. On the left side, you'll notice that if we subtract x from both sides, the x's cancel out and we're left with negative 1 equals 3. Well, last time I checked, that wasn't true, so there's no solution there. However, on the other side, when we're trying to get the negative 1, we have x minus 1 equals negative x minus 3. And if we solve that, we can add the x's to both sides. We have our 2x minus 1 equals negative 3. We can add our 1 to both sides. We get our 2x equals negative 2. Divide both sides by 2, and we get x equals negative 1. And so there is one solution to this inequality. If you don't believe it, you can always, as with all equations, plug that back into the original equation, and let's see what happens. Absolute value of negative 1 minus 1 equals negative 1 plus 3. Is that true? Well, sure it is, because the absolute value of negative 2 is 2. And so our only solution is negative 1. That's all. Thanks.